Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LUXEAR cooling pillowcases. It's a 2-pack arc chill cool pillowcases with double side design. We have one side with cooling effect and one with cotton fiber. Anti-static, skin-friendly, machine washable, and with a hidden zipper. These are pillowcases with different dimensions on the market, 20 inches to 26 inches. Here it is in gray. It's also in beige, in blue, in green, light blue, light gray, light white, pink, and white available. Different sizes, standard 20 to 26 inches, or queen size 20 to 30 inches, or king size 20 to 36 inches. There is no kind of fabric can. This keeps a long-lasting cooling. They recommend to use these pillowcases with the air condition or a fan for a better sleep experience, of course. It is a cotton effect which comes here. One side is Qmax 0.5 and less cooling fibers, and one side is 100% cotton fiber. This cooling pillowcase is made of special Japanese Qmax lower than 0.4 arc chill cooling fibers. The larger the Qmax value, the more heat the fabric takes away. That's why the LUXEAR cooling pillows is the best at absorbing the body heat to transfer away from us while we are sleeping. This cooling fiber material is naturally anti-static, meaning it will significantly reduce the bed heat. We will wake up with a smoother, frizz-free hair every morning. This special cooling fibers material is tightly woven to make this pillowcase naturally and static. The tight weaves allows the skin and the hair to slide over the pillowcase very gently and freely. This helping to reduce facial wrinkles, preventing dry or knotted hair, significantly reducing the bad head, and resulting in smoother, frizz-free hair every morning. This pillowcase has a double-side design, perfect for all seasons out there. The cooling side of the pillowcase is silky and cool, perfect for the hot summer sun. It's especially helpful for people who suffer from night sweat every night. The other side is made of 100% cotton fabric. Comfortable and soft. Perfect for the whole family. To help us relax and sleep better every night. The hidden zipper design. It not only makes this pillow cover beautiful and keeps it safe to use, but also lowers the risk of facial damage from hardware and makes the pillowcase very easy to remove. This durable zipper lasts a long time. Also, these pillowcases are easy to separate and clean. They are both hand washable and machine washable. They dry quickly and stay fresh. We can wash it by machine or by hand, but we can't use the dryer, okay? We should hang the cold pillowcase in a cool, well-ventilated place to air dry. Avoid direct sun. LUXEAR, a modern solution, a simple lifestyle. LUXEAR aims to bring meticulous design and unique innovation to each family. They have experienced and professional skills in the field of home and kitchens. The customers are always the core of LUXEAR. The team is constantly developing and improving the products to promote healthier and high quality lifestyle. Maybe you are tired of waking up in the night. Maybe you're tired of looking for a nice cooling pillowcase. Maybe we want refreshing sleep on hot nights. This cooling pillowcase is the real thing. It will bring us refreshing sleep and improve the quality of our sleep too. With Japanese arc chill cooling fabric. This technology fabric can quickly absorb human body heat. When the human body touches the fabric, the body surface temperature immediately drops by about 2 up to 5 degrees. And that's right, I tested it. And it's true. Really true. The Qmax value is a measurement of the maximum instantaneous loss of skin heat when human body touches the fabric. The larger the Qmax, the more the heat can be absorbed by the fabric. The standard value of Qmax is 0.2. By the Qmax value of LUXEAR's cooling pillows is lower than 0.4. And this is good because it's double-side pillowcase. It's a design with a hidden zipper design and machine washable. And we have a cooling side, a cotton side, as we like. This is cool. We get it in position and have a good night with LUXEAR cooling pillowcase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.